Have you ever wondered what's the smallest amount you can send on Coinbase? It's a common question, especially for those just starting their crypto journey. In this video, we'll break down the minimum requirements and explore some factors that might influence the amount you can send. Understanding Coinbase. Brief overview. Let's start by understanding what Coinbase is. It's a popular cryptocurrency exchange platform that allows you to buy, sell, and store various cryptocurrencies. Key features: Coinbase offers a user-friendly interface, secure storage, and a wide range of supported cryptocurrencies. Fees. It's important to note that Coinbase charges fees for transactions. These fees can vary depending on the cryptocurrency you're trading and the type of transaction you're making. Minimum deposit requirements vary by cryptocurrency. The minimum deposit amount on Coinbase can vary depending on the specific cryptocurrency you're trying to send. Factors influencing minimums. Several factors can influence the minimum deposit amount. Market volatility. Cryptocurrencies are known for their price fluctuations. During periods of high volatility, exchanges might impose higher minimums to mitigate risks. Regulatory requirements. Different jurisdictions have varying regulations regarding cryptocurrency exchanges. These regulations can impact the minimum deposit amounts. Exchange policies. Coinbase may have specific policies or guidelines regarding minimum deposits. It's always a good idea to check their official website for the most up-to-date information. Common cryptocurrencies and minimums. Bitcoin, one of the most popular cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin typically has a relatively high minimum deposit requirement. This is due to its market capitalization and high value per coin. Ethereum, another major cryptocurrency, often has a lower minimum deposit requirement compared to Bitcoin. This is because its value per coin is generally lower. Altcoins. The minimum deposit requirements for altcoins can vary widely. Some altcoins with smaller market caps might have lower minimums, while others with larger market caps might have higher requirements. Fees and considerations. Transaction fees. When sending cryptocurrencies on Coinbase, you'll typically be charged a transaction fee. This fee can vary based on factors such as the network congestion and the value of the transaction. Network fees. Some cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, have network fees that are separate from the exchange fees. These network fees are determined by the blockchain network itself and can fluctuate. Gas fees. Ethereum-based transactions often involve gas fees, which are essentially fees paid to miners to process your transaction on the Ethereum blockchain. Tips for minimizing costs. Batch transactions. If you need to send multiple smaller amounts, consider batching them together into a single larger transaction to potentially save on fees. Off-peak trading. Network fees can be higher during peak trading times. Try to schedule your transactions for off-peak hours to potentially save on fees. Explore other exchanges. While Coinbase is a popular choice, it's worth exploring other cryptocurrency exchanges to compare fees and minimum deposit requirements. Recap key points. In this video, we've discussed the minimum deposit requirements on Coinbase and the factors that can influence them. We've also explored the fees associated with cryptocurrency transactions and provided some tips for minimizing costs. Encouragement to research. Remember that the minimum deposit amounts and fees can change over time. It's always a good idea to do your own research and check Coinbase's official website for the most up-to-date information. Call to action. If you're new to cryptocurrency, consider starting with a small deposit to familiarize yourself with the platform and the trading process. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.